Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to pick a random sample out of a population of numbers. So I'm just from my first video for project 1, these are just 100 random numbers in column A, not related to your project. Now I want to get a random sample of 20 numbers from here. So let me just label this sample 1. So in order to do this, we're going to be using the index function and the rand between function. So start off with equal index. Then our tooltips is asking for the array or reference. All that means is the numbers you're picking from. So in this case, I'm picking from column A. So I'm going to go over to column A. And then just like in project 1, Control Shift down to select all the data. And I don't want that data to change, so I'm going to press F4 to put dollar signs around everything. Then comma. Then it's asking for a row number. Well, this is where I want a random row number. So I'm going to use the function rand between. And then open parentheses. And it's going to ask for a bottom number and a top number. Well, your bottom number is always going to be 1. And your top number is going to be the number of data values you have. So in this specific case, I have 100 data values. But in your project, remember, it's going to be different depending on which data set you're dealing with. And close parenthesis. And then it does ask for a column number in the tooltips right here. But if you notice that's in brackets, that means you can skip that. So because I don't need it, I'm just going to do close parentheses, enter. So it randomly picked a number 83.4. One thing to keep in mind, because we used a rand between function, whenever I make a change, let's say if I just type help over here, as soon as I press enter, that 83.4 is going to change. You see it changed to an 82.1. So anytime you make a change to this sheet, these numbers are going to get recalculated. That's fine for right now. So I made a change. It changed to 89.4. But I'm going to show you how to make it so they stay fixed. And I want 20 samples. So all I do is highlight the cell and click and drag it until I get down to 21 technically, because row 1 has the header in it. So we need to go down to 21. And then you just need to do this however many more times. I think I said 20 samples. And I think sample size of 50, so you technically drag this down to 50. But it's basically the same. But once you drag it down and you don't want these numbers to change anymore, we're going to do what's called copy and paste over. So I'm going to copy these cells by pressing Control C. After you press Control C, don't press Control V. Instead, right click on the first element, and under the paste options, do this values or 1, 2, 3. Now if I look, all the formulas are gone. So if I make a change over here, the numbers don't change. And that's how you copy and paste it. Now you have a bunch more samples to go, but I want to just do a quick review on how you calculate the mean of this. So to get the mean of sample 1, let me write that instead. Mean of sample 1. That's our average function. Excel doesn't have a mean function, so instead I'm going to type average, open parenthesis, number 1, comma, number 2. Well, you just go over, Control Shift down, select all, hit enter. So the mean for my first sample is 81.4. Then you keep going like that and keep using the other ways I've shown you how to use Excel to finish this part of the project. I do want to say I did not go through the entire project with you this time because I want you to start using some problem solving skills. But if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and have a good day.